we are at the camp now. We are at the camp. So this is the summer camp. We are at the camp now. As you can see how the houses look. It's really a peasant area. It's like a ghetto. See the conditions in which people live, so it's not really easy. So activities like this will help them generate income and also expose to a lot of different things. Chop, you need water, you need plenty things. Human being, if you think know how a human being there and you care for human being, you be careful your snails and too. The human being need wait, you need chop. Most start with chop. Which is snails they chop am. As you know, when I be terminal. They chop popo.
Remaining rice, we chop potato leaf, cocoa leaf. Yes. Ripe plantain, ripe banana. They leave them for the popo.
Yes. So now think that we snails they chop am. Yes, until they good. Snake they show that in the part table don't cause on one thing way if you don't call away a mistake we make them because snake they never give snake chop we don't come for your can give a snake. Because one, even if you don't put salt for that chop will easily decay. One kind of they don't start rotting. And when snake chop that chop, it go die. So as I go live in a farm, when I not ever give chop when I don't cook and go out and I go chew and go a snake farm. Because the chop go easily, you usually know if you leave chop for 2 days, you won't come because they make it like that. And that's this small one who can't hang for the gum. You can't gum there because it stick. So it go stick now, they know if you work out, they will remain there, they go die. So that's in this way, small mistake for the make and go fight. As you don't talk and so much now. Not ever cook chop here and Yamangogo. Second thing I say, no guy now got to propose in Yamangogo. When you don't clean your popo immediately. You can't get with your Yamango. If the Yamango no chopper after the next day, can't move down your can't move on because when you don't start saying you don't get that white distance, you don't start move on immediately because if you leave on for the Yamango they go die. White and white. On right fine because I'm mixing two for the Yamango. So sometimes they will wait over the Yamango guy thing then find on right mango, on right popo can give to coconut and ghee. Yamango the best chop. Man talk the chop they over like most people say time they want to catch Yamango go put banana. Yamango don't like banana. I be feel so time where I will go up to come and me tell me say one kind Yamango go put banana. Banana fine with Yamango because it attract Yamango because banana smells strong. But Yamango when Yamango can make all the banana, it is like to chop am. But Yamango no overlike banana. When I go know this time I start keeping Yamango for a while. I cannot keep Yamango for 4 years. So I know all these things. Yamango like watermelon. Now the best chop. When you get watermelon, we don't you try watermelon so you clean and clean them. That can die, you can get even the full one we don't start got we don't make one got to chop all tea. But when you give Yamango watermelon, don't put them so not cut watermelon so for up, you can't put them because it produce water. So that water Yamango you can't enter inside, it will drown. So when Yamango they see small lady one, you get to do it, you get to turn the watermelon upside down. You go enter down from under the chop. So that the water will go to down. So now so it did. Yamango they chop and make sure say make chop no remain spoil for the farm. If you get your Yamango farm, that will leave that farm for now. When I want to travel away, person no go take care for that Yamango. When I find normal leaf, the potato leaf. When I not getting a popo because popo go got to quick. Find potato leaf, deep plantain leaf, as you talk cocoa leaf. Put that fresh leaf then go there because if you go stay for 2 days, 3 days to come back, Yamango, you'll see they fine. You know we don't got it easily. So don't talk about chop. Chop be very important with Yamango. The next one I wait to place with Yamango is stay. Any money chop and any place will stay. Now the place in Yamango is stay, we don't talk and say if you use tire and it are this so come with the work as well. Okay. I tell you this one I get up the house here.
Yes, buy something they not see.
Okay. Now tire them this. The first system when Yamango is staying at the tire system, when at this system. This system fine for you when you want to chop Yamango for house. If you find your tire then so so you will find your tire as your tire then they so et puis Nyamangogo, they may Nyamangogo, they stay for doing that, to chop and for house. So no more when every year may they go find. I don't say okay, just in the camp. I find my Nyamangogo, I put my tail in place. You can get the one and so the 70, they take for outside. The one what I bring to I can't do my Nyamangogo they go sit extremely well for day. Because I say we want to farm for sell now, and plenty Nyamangogo will enter inside the tire. So tire system first, I tell you now soon as the one that knows on our farm, we use the tire system. You know, then you put as much money Nyamangogo there for a day. Okay, now so now how would you arrange the tire system? The tire system, so if you look at for here now, what are this for here now? What are this for here? When me say if the tire they so as they so you live and for some kind of place where you not get shed, which will happen and say water go enter inside, and if water flow for the place for here, Nyamangogo can't have place, so one go fall for inside the water, you go drown. So what you do now, so as the tire they so in so you go put the tire there, you get for bust hold them. For here, so small hold them. So I mean water they go down. It be very important. Then for the ones who don't go carry something where it be airtight until you container, you can cover them with heat today where you need to get home. So if you find net, the mosquito net there, you put them so for under, you press them, you lock them. As you even stand for inside, you see how the Nyamangogo they work up for inside. And nothing with as you know we live and make dating. Now one disadvantage is with tell us say you know they will dating, so they will constantly come move your Nyamangogo there, you move their shit there for inside, they will always move shit. And before you want to put it there, as if they are the base so you go find hole, as that hole they put in a dig, dig, soften the ground first. Nyamangogo to like to go underground, soften the ground, fine, soften the ground, find plantain that one for today. You put that when they say someone just bring a man to show now with a hole. Okay. Now the leave them is no say one put it there now for here. Go say they will pay dig and fine. Okay. You go make sure say you dig the place fine. Dig and so may soft. You move all stone there. Move all stone there. Move all stone there. Move all stone there. All the way they move all small stone them. Now the point for snail farm to now the soil. When you see this soil should over fine for Nyamangogo because this soil if I look and so see you need to open. When you need soil where you know about build water over there because as this soil Nyamangogo for inside of you come back for up. So you need soil where you know about get the kind of water because look at this place so get water over there. So Nyamangogo be going underground and Nyamangogo will lay egg. Nyamangogo lay egg now for inside ground. For instance, I just take this one egg. I never know how Nyamangogo lay. I put the outside Nyamangogo lay egg. When Nyamangogo they so lay egg, they have the place top room. He go dig so he get something where the inside his key go dig and small so inside small so you can put the egg so inside. If you let the 10 egg inside the place, they can say clutches. You put the egg there also plenty eggs over there. Then you go and see don't lock. You know say egg there. When this soil they find water not over there, the egg you want go harsh. So it's easy for Nyamangogo for hard. Nyamangogo need the hardness of supernatural way. Why would Nyamangogo they would never keep on with it need the hardness because you maybe dig ground. So you just come and put one kind the egg they on top ground, on top ground. Because the ground of the soil, Nyamangogo if it dig go inside, it lay egg. Nyamangogo lay egg na inside ground.
You say when it lay for this place, the egg will
not go ever, it will spoil because the water will touch them and sunlight will hit them. The only time we egg will ever lay hash na time we dey inside ground.
Okay. That means say that has even 1 billion now they don't cement the floor.
No. The one with 1 billion they cement to cut the floor small. Why? Because no one ants enter inside. Because they don't put that switch sitting in there, they will put that ground, we shift that ground now, we move out in there, we put them there now, they will put hot water, they cook them. So we get them to come there. But more thing we tire first. Okay. So as you don't dig and as you don't top the egg there inside here, no one time. Okay. Like that, so it will lay now. So when you don't dig and so you take this tire now, so you open and so you put them for the where you put now, you find another ground, cover and so cover and ground. Make hands they not enter inside. Because time when you put that switch in the hand will enter inside. So you don't put and so you mash and so. Mash and so, make hold and not there for here. So you put and so ground the thing. Where you don't bubble the tire. You don't bust the tire for under here so small hold there, small hold there. Then you take now the planting thing now so for here. You make bend and so, you put them for there. Why you put them for here and say when each time when you put something for there, they come and say that it's daily mulch. When you put them so it will happen and say the soil will hard quick.
You know about dry.
You know we can't dry because if when something on top soil, the soil you can't strong it back. But when you put on soil, you put some leaf soil, they do one soil. You see, each time this soil will always remain soft soil. When your mango go enter. Another sun the overhaul. If you live on an under sun, sun the overhaul, the mango will go under that leaf. You go height. You go like a cold place. You see, and say your tail now go find your mango. They find the grow. They make sure you always can clean now. If you clean that your mango, they will be fine, and then you make sure you don't play with people. You don't go tip them. The mango will always be fine. So
how long you take before you can clean them? 2 days to 1 week.
No, if you get away with it, you do it every day. You do them. You do it. As one can give them chop, you just move so small. They see no they see no cement or. You just hold on your hand. You just throw it for yourself. If you have bucket, put on there. You use as a manure. If you have small bucket, you keep on the way. You don't get some level, so you go put on the side. Make sure you have fine garden. Until you go do extremely well. So you don't put an answer, so you take out the first tire, cover them. We don't bust so too for here, under here. And so you put them, you go then this na so. So not waste time, you go bust so for here. Bust the hole in for here, so I mean what I understand. You open, you find the next one. 3 tire correct, not put more than 3 because if you are long when you mango they go for up, they will fall. So when they pick up fall, and when it falls, so it affect them. So if 3 tire correct, then you just find some small net to cover them. Okay. When I see so when I find some small net now, I just cover and make sure so I mean you know come out. Now so the tire system them. Okay. The next system we'll look at with that house, that snail house now. Make sure they call and say free range. Free range means say the mango they don't work at them anyhow as they work at the bush. Now I be the ask part they will say if you place for this some way, if you free range, if this place for this some kind way we will not know if not can get any solution, we go make you want a temporary place. But I said the problem with the one as we talk about pick them. We not need to sell no block. I'm not talking how it don't go work. That will be very easy. Now farm this will get time for planting. We get to know how you mango they live for inside bush. Mango they live for bush na how they just the waka for inside farm. And the like planting day, plenty they live for baggy for planting all of that. So it be easy. We never come for now so as the place so can't train your mango for here. The mango they will die. Oh, you know why? Because the place the grass, the mango not like it all kind grass fine for the mango. You want to get one kind of thing you like and you fresh. So not any so called grass and the way you want to them they run away from. You understand the smell it irritating they will go on. The second as well the place be totally exposed. When we say sunlight they overnight the place as it is so. So if you can't put it for hard for dry season, you see inside this so as so sun go don't heat that so take the hot. The mango not like it that kind of place. So when you can place the way you want to keep your mango, you say guess you have fine garden for how you want to keep your mango. When you go to as the place so you need to plant cocoa there. You find macabo, you can find macabo, they all side very thick macabo. They will plant with you, plant potato leaf. But as potato the worker go down, macabo the stand for up. They will get a planting for around. They simple now, just find some small fence, some small place so. You fence around so, small fine place. And the way they fence them, they get away the fence them. If you want fence a long fence, you go by worry and you go spend. So what you do now, so you defense and a sow. When we say the mango plant for that fence, it will still come back now for down. Okay. So now so you defense them. So when we make it so. Yes. So let me say if you get that iron fence, you get some iron and they so. So you can't put them for here, so you put out the deco, you put them so you pin and fine. When you make it so you burn and so. You make it so you burn and where they do them? And also people in there they smart, they even take and they they burn now. So then the mango don't climb that place so it will actually stick back now for down. It will still come back so that's what you do them. So that one fine. And before one do and so you get what do it. You need to plant the cocoa so till the soil fine. Make sure say make soft. You move stone there, move small stone there, move soft stone there. Then you plant that this cocoa there. You plant that potato. And potato you plant them. Put that inside. Make the place maybe as nice as possible. Make grass not go for the place. Mean not only cocoa, potato, maybe pawpaw. And the one wait to go happen that one fine because you know the feed the mango all time because as that potato leaf the mango go the chop them as the pawpaw they go climb for up the chop pawpaw as the plantain leaves they go climb for up the chopper now you harvest the plantain they do one so you still move the peelings they can't throw them back inside the farm then the mango will continue to chop it that way the potato don't reach your level where if one only come around digger and this digger you slice that you throw them back on the farm that one so go the totally run itself so man dey for man feel we get 5 acre farm we don't do one and so. He come for that farm, so he just put a planting and they he puts fence there round, he throw in mango all day. The man he make millions then now, so another way that could do one. Now so that one, it's not to that one that say people will enter inside a farm with chicken and mango, people will happen to their farm. I want no big control. Baby, they will kind of put the way no that kind of because of this they need deep day. You will get a thing. I can't place also can't place it. Yes, we all man go look am. If you know say okay, the man not inside farm, if you cash it, he pay fine.
Movement, because the way it is, that means how did you work? How if you continue the new
that net on top, you will stop the male no worker.
And then me too, I want to say the grass. Now which grass? Because I go for farm. I used to meter them for the grass. The one, this soft one, so the one I used to meter them for the, and that one for the jama grass. Where you want just move it so it already be for for inside, and then so another one day we get on small long roll like cover crop, no be cover crop. They bought on small food and they. If you want to drag the rope, so you just hear the nyamangoro they don't hang for the rope. You just drag in and the nyamangoro they just
chop 500. Nyamangoro they chop 500 different plants. We miss inside forget nyamangoro they 500 different chop. Now say we will not know, we never do research to know the exact kind plants there. So no go take risks because you see nyamangoro for corner day. Two reasons when you go don't come for corner day. One of the reasons I say can maybe for can't chop. Another reason I say don't work at tire. Maybe the third one I say that place gets so small shed where the happy make any about for skin. So you don't can hide there will be moist. So reasons and then because they within because you like to chop that chop. So wait to turn as soon as you know don't do research, we know see the one in the work. If you put potato leaf, be friendly for your mango, pawpaw leaf, you plant your pawpaw for inside, be friendly. So man then also you want do a greenhouse. That one a big one and it was expensive, almost 6 million for designer. That's why you build and where you cover the on top with and I don't know why one and no greenhouse. You cover the top, then you develop and build and when the mango they get there forever. But now for that system, that's a bit expensive. So for now, the child will look system will not be easy to do. It's the cheapest means for now. Few ways normally this is around talk so now they find the best means. But the issue with you one as well thief invasion. Now the issue that but now fish get security. Every the place as it is so now fish do and day. Even as it is so. But now so we'll talk for the blocks.
We try for talk for here now because of say we get shrine them and because shrine fit take this tire we chop down your mango. As here
I don't see a leaf for lady. 2 bags of